because that.
What up? All right, guys, session 1 of time attack today. It is 38 degrees Fahrenheit. It's nice and cold. Tires are gonna be nice and cold. Got to get some heat into them. This session, get a little heat in these. Check your mirrors, check your mirrors. We are green. grip on top of Bill Hill, not too good. Got cold up there at the top. Honestly, I probably had mud on my tire. That was kind of dumb on my fault, on my part. But yeah, whatever. Is what it is. That was fun. I was on another hot lap. I was almost at a 154. Track is still cold, obviously. It's 43 degrees out. It's just gonna get hotter. So that's good. It's gonna be a fun one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Four off top of Phil Hill. Hey, can you look at my
Four off, right?
yeah, can you look at my oil thing?
Which one?
The oil cooler in the front. Good.
Good.
I went straight off at the top of Phil Hill. It's just too cold.
It's too cold?
Well, I was pushing. I was on a hot lap and I got like, I late braked and then too cold up there to stop.
Still got 8 minutes.
Yeah, okay. I'll hit another round. Yeah, I'll dust it off.
Go for it.
All right. All right, guys. So that was really fun. Gotta look at my merge here. Coming up. Don't see anybody. All right, cool. Later on in the afternoon, I just want to make sure everything feels cool. Because I dipped too on Phil Hill, honestly. So I had a bit of probably a bit of something on that, but I still feel PB'd per session, so I feel good about that. See how I was right out there. Good time. Good time. I'm already gonna need to get gas, honestly. This turn always messes me up, man. could be the end of my day. Damn. That was not good. That was not good. Papa Hill is so cold. Oh my goodness. I just got light up on Papa Hill. Damn, that sucks. That sucks. That I tried to avoid that. I tried to avoid that right there. Doesn't feel fucked up. But that did not hit nicely. Wow. Alright. We're braking. I was on another pretty good one. And geez, top of Phil Hill is just so freaking it's so cold up there. It legit is very, very cold up at the top. So unless you're in the spot where the people are driving, which I must have just turned in a bit, honestly, a bit too early there. And that was not amazing. That was definitely not amazing. But anyways, okay. That last bit of driving, not the best. However, the prior bit of driving was good. That was fun. Definitely need to let this thing let the track heat up quite a bit more, because man, I just smacked two pretty bad. So cool. All right, that was fun. Also, so it says optimal today 155.15, so that's so far. I wasn't sure if it did that off the best lap ever or whatever, but anyways, but I did a 55.16, so I mean, I did a good amount of driving there, so that was good. Yeah, we just need the track resistance to heat up a bit. So awesome. I gotta check out the car.
Congratulations for third place, 157.029. Good job, man. Enjoy that Capri Sun. Second and first place. This is competitive throughout the whole year. I've never seen a like this. It's with a 155.160. We have Blake Titus from Blake's Garage.
Woo!
Congratulations, Blake, with a 155.160. Enjoy that Capri Sun. First place, 154.861. It was done in session 3. No other than Bennett Cow. Bennett drives that Tesla on the left over there. And actually, you know what? Bennett is our 2021 Grand Champion. And leading into that, we will talk about that later. Congratulations, Bennett. Enjoy that Capri Sun. Here's your track class podium winners.
We decided to go with a slightly healthier option of Capri Sun this year over champagne. It was a group decision.
I guess we should give away some stuff.
Yeah, I think so.
But before that, I want to thank all you guys for coming out again.